Hello there, this is me giving you very much Mad Woman. Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can quite clearly see, I will be revamping this wig. I haven't worn this wig in quite a while. I just saw it and I was like, I still have this? It's not actually bad, like it's not that bad, you know, the hair is still kind of flowy, okay? It just needs to be put back into shape. It feels, I don't know, I just feel like I need to put it back into shape. I need to revamp it. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the process of how I take this wig from Mad Woman chic to bad bitch. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how I take this wig from looking like a to looking like a oomph. You know what I'm saying? Oomph. Let's go. Welcome to my bathroom sink. So before anything, I'm going to detangle the wig, almost like I'm doing my natural hair wash day routine. You know how you have to detangle your hair before you shampoo it? That's what I'm doing. Make sure you detangle the bottom of the wig as well. It's also very important. Then when I'm done detangling, I'm going to run water over it, you know, just so to get it wet and get it ready for the shampoo. I'm using the Megagrowth stimulating shampoo to wash the wig today. Now most people, when they're revamping their wigs, they use Tresemme, but I don't have Tresemme and I have Megagrowth, so I'm finna use Megagrowth. Okay. So yeah, that's the shampoo I'll be using to wash the wig. I'm just going to gently work it through the wig. I'm using my thumbs to wash the closure, taking out any gel or edge control that's stuck in there. Then I'm just going to run the shampoo down the strands of the hair. It's almost like washing natural hair. You know how you aim the shampoo at your scalp and then you just run down whatever is left of the shampoo down the strands of your hair? It's almost like that, okay? But you're also actually trying to wash the strands of hair on the wig as well. As you can see, the color is kind of chocolate milky. You're trying to wash whatever product buildup is on the wigs and whatever, so make sure you wash the wig as thoroughly as possible. If you need to wash it a second time, make sure you do that. Just make sure that the wig comes out of this process very clean. After rinsing off all of the shampoo, I proceed to towel dry the wig, and the way I do that is I wrap the wig in a towel and then I give it a little squeeze. Can you see how toned my arms are though? That's from years of doing my own hair. Okay, so I'm doing it this way so that the hair doesn't get tangled whatsoever. Then I detangle it again with the brush. Always make sure you are brushing the bottom as well. Don't just brush over, brush under. Up next is conditioner, and I'm using the Megagrowth detangling conditioner. Now when you are applying conditioner to your wig during the revamping process, make sure you are applying the conditioner generously, because conditioner is what is going to give your wig back that zhuzh, that oomph, that silky good as new feeling that you are looking for, which of course is the entire point of revamping the wig. So make sure you are very, very generous when you are applying the conditioner to the wig. Make sure it gets to every single part of the wig. Work it in, over, under, in between, everywhere. Make sure the conditioner gets everywhere. This is a very, very crucial step. Now I am brushing through the wig, eliminating any tangles, any knots whatsoever. This also helps with the distribution of the conditioner throughout the strands of the wig, so don't skip this step, okay? After all that, I'm going to wrap the wig inside a plastic bag for processing. I'm going to leave it in here for about 24 hours. Don't even ask me why, okay? Just, you will see the results when it is time. I'm just going to wrap it in this plastic bag and leave it for 24 hours. After letting the wig air dry for a bit, it was time to blow dry it, and mind you, I do not have a tripod, so I used a mop stick and the edge of my bed to improvise. Then I took my Megagrowth leave-in conditioner and I applied a little bit of it onto the wig. This is just to add a little bit of moisture and softness and silkiness to the wig before I begin to blow dry it. Next, I am taking my Megagrowth oil and I'm using it as a heat protectant. I'm using only a few drops and applying it throughout the wig. Then I brush through the wig just to make sure that all the products I just put in it are nicely, evenly distributed throughout the strands of the wig. Then I begin the blow drying process, and mind you, I set my hair dryer to the highest heat setting, but the fan strength or the fan speed is at medium. After just blow drying the hair is already looking so good. It's already shiny, it's looking very soft and fluffy, but we are not done yet. So the next step is to straighten the hair, and I'm using the follow through method with my tiny tooth comb and my Nova hair straightener. This straightener doesn't have a heat setting, so I guess I just waited for it to get hot before I started straightening the hair. And as you can see, I'm kind of turning the bottom of the section inward. Excuse the way my arm is just in the way. I know this is not the best angle, but at least you understand what I'm doing. And damn, do my arms look so manly. I'm sorry guys, I'm extremely hairy. That's why my arms look like that. I look like a man. God, but at least you understand what I am doing. I am simply just straightening the hair and just giving it that bob effect at the bottom by turning the straightener inward. In order to record this part, I had to hire my sister to help me hold my phone up so that you guys can see what I'm doing. That's my life now that I don't have a tripod. Anyway, so for the closure area, I'm just going to be parting the closure line by line in very small thin sections so that the straightener can do a proper job at straightening the hair. And I'm using the same follow through technique, and I'm also giving it that bob effect under. So I'm going to part a very small section, then I'm going to straighten that section using the follow through method, and also give it that bob effect at the end by turning the straightener inward. So I am done straightening the wig now, and the transformation is the transformation for me. I'm ready for the big reveal. As you can see, I've prepped my hair. At the time I was straightening the wig, I was deep conditioning, but now my hair is deep conditioned. It's moisturized, it's oiled, it's ready. As you can see, because it's a bob wig, okay, and I didn't want like strands of my hair to be popping out from under the wig, I had to like, you see what I did there? I tucked the ends of my cornrows back in, you understand what I did. I mean, I done showed you, all right? So let us reveal this tin. I'm about to turn into a babe. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. What? Who is this? Something's oh, nobody can talk to me anyhow no more. No, can you see me? Do you see? Can you guys believe that this is the same way from the beginning? Yeah, your wigs aren't bad, okay? Your hair isn't old. You just need to revamp it. Like, what? Damn, just look at the, look at the. Damn, can nobody talk to me anyhow no more. Ooh! Alright guys, I am done filming myself on camera. I would like to go and film myself off camera. So let me end the video here. I hope y'all have seen how the transformation works, how it goes, and I hope you understand now that you don't really need to buy some specific products to revamp your wig. Like, just take your shampoo that you have in the house, any conditioner that's right there. Just like, these products aren't expensive at all. If you know Megagrowth, you know that they're extremely cheap. The shampoo and conditioner together as a whole. You can buy both of them together on their website. The website is linked in my description box, however, so you can go check that out, especially if you live in Nigeria. Okay, so you can get both of those products together for 1,500 naira. Mind you, by the way, this video is not sponsored by Megagrowth whatsoever. They don't know that I'm doing this. All this free publicity that I'm giving them. Anyway, so if you would like to get their products, I'm going to link their website down in my description box, so you can just go check that out, along with a whole bunch of my other videos. So if you have made it this far in the video and you have not subscribed, do something for me now. Just go and tap that subscribe button down there. You get me? And give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment and everything. Share this video with people. You know, don't learn this secret alone. Share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next video, guys.